guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you decide to stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and become a member of the Soul Squad, because we'd love to have you as a member of our family. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell icon to be notified every time I upload, because I upload every week. Let's get into today's video. What's up, Soul Squad? For today's video, I'm going to tell you something that was experienced by my son recently and some things he shared with me. Now, I like to keep you guys in the loop with all of this. Just for one, I know a lot of you find it interesting, and my hope is that it can just be a sign of support from me to anybody that's experiencing something similar, whether it's for themselves, their children, someone in their lives. I just like to share this, and also it's like a diary for me to keep up with all of his experiences and share them with you at the same time, so I have something to reflect back on, because I like to keep a timeline of his events, and just as to whatever happens when he gets older, if we need to look back when things started, when things happened, we'll have that. So I wanted to share what he shared with me the other day, and I wanted to bring up something that has become a huge significance in his life, involving his sharp bubbles. Now, if you're not familiar with what sharp bubbles are, I will leave his description up here for you guys to look into, because it's something that he looks at as protectors now. That's why he's not afraid of anything that he experiences, and he speaks so openly about everything because he's no longer afraid. He said they are constantly warding off evil and fighting on his behalf. That's why they're everywhere he goes, and they go everywhere he goes. And it's just something that, whatever it is, he refers to as sharp bubbles, and he's 6 years old, and he's used that same terminology since he was about 3. So I'll leave that video up there for you guys to check out, and I just wanted to tell you that he has been talking to me a lot about how things that we perceive down here are really different than what they actually are. For instance, he was telling me that angels do not really look like angels you see in books, that certain people in the Bible do not look like what we perceive them as here, and that everything's a bigger picture. Now, to have a 6-year-old explain things the way he does just blows my mind, and I would like for you guys to hear how he explains them. So I'm debating on letting him tell you some of his stories eventually, and we'll see how that goes and where that plan goes. But I just wanted to let you guys know that he has been talking about things like that. Like, he tells me that angels do not look like angels, and they do not have all the features that you would think they have, and they're a lot smaller in reality than they are in the way that we perceive them. Now, that just blew my mind, but he got into the talk of spirits and animals and how they have their own soul, which I have firmly believed forever, but he said they also go to the afterlife just as we do, and that he told me about a dog that he didn't even know about was waiting with my dad, and that was just really emotional for me, for him to relay that message and not even know anything about it. So I just wanted to share that out there in case anybody needed that, because that ended up being a huge discussion between me and him, which I'm going to get into further later on. But it's just strange how that became a significant portion of a conversation I had with a friend the next day. It was like he was feeding me information that I would need for the next day, and I was able to provide my friend with some of the comforting words and things he told me, which, like I said, I'll be sharing with you guys later on. But I just wanted to touch on this just a little bit and see if any of you guys have anybody in your life that are experiencing anything like he does, whether it be you or someone else, whether it's a child or an adult. Because this stuff can come and go in different phases, and it can come to you in different parts of your life for whatever reason. These abilities come and go. They come at different times. There's no set, infinite answer. And I just wanted to see how many of you have ever had experiences similar to any of his, which I'll include his playlist of other experiences, and just let you guys know that I will be keeping up with all of his experiences here. And if you're interested, let me know in the comment section below, because I love to keep a little diary on here, like a video diary of everything he experiences, and relay it to you guys, keep it for future reference, and offer my support to anybody that needs it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Definitely let me know your input down below, because I'm contemplating on a lot of things. There's a lot of cool things I'm wanting to do with this channel, and I have so many ideas, and this is not just my channel, it's your channel as well. So leave me suggestions and ideas in the comment section below, because there's a lot coming up, and I'm glad you guys are going along for the journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and update. If you you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member of the Soul Squad. We'd love to have you as a member of our family. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos and all your support. You guys are completely amazing. Always remember, stay humble, stay kind, stay awesome, and I'll see you in my next video.